Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show step-by-step process how you can turn on Magnifier on your Windows 11. So when you would come here on Windows 11, you want to go to the bottom. Next to the search button is Start, right click on it, and then click on the Task Manager settings. Let's just wait until it loads. Okay, here we go. And then under gaming, there is going to be accessibility. And when you're going to be here, you want to click on the magnifier. Under text cursor. And then you can turn it on. And you can, as you can see, you can magnify it as much as you want. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.